God message for you today. Dear child, the answers you seek are not far. They reside gently within. There is a quiet voice inside you, soft yet steady, always pointing you toward truth. You are already connected to all the wisdom, love, and courage you'll ever need. In moments of doubt, don't rush to fill the silence. Rest in it. Your soul speaks loudest when the world is quiet. While the world offers tools and reflections, your clearest compass is your inner knowing. Be still, breathe deeply, and come home to yourself. Everything unfolds when you trust the sacred whisper within.